When I saw the level of destruction that happened within Lagos State, I have only one word. Do they want to submerge this state? Is it because of 2023? Why are we here where we are today? My submission is very simple. Number one, EndSARS. Number two, the level of destruction. Number three, what leads us to this? Number four, way forward. When you see the celebrity coming out and joining the masses or the youth for EndSARS, their intention is very good. We salute their courage. We salute them. We see them as heroes. But what will you expect from somebody who does not have anything to eat, morning, night, or who does not even know when he's going to eat, and you are providing them with food, and you are expecting this to be peaceful? That is the beginning and the genesis of the problem. When you are protesting and you are giving them food, the miscreant that doesn't have food to eat, they will come. They wouldn't want it to end. That is the beginning. So when the celebrities were doing this, they forgot when to end it. If they have seen it coming, they're supposed to have stopped and go to dialogue. Dialogue is the key.